I have a feeling the complaint box in the weather department today was empty, Keith.
False, because we ran a story on EVs last night. But overall, for weather,
No
good.
complaints about today's conditions.
Yes.
Go with
Look,
it, Keith.
that
Go
box,
with it.
that box is always filled up for
We
me.
can never satisfy all the customers.
We try, but yes, in the weather department, this is great. And if you don't like it being quite this warm, we'll take it down a notch later in the week. So I think this week kind of has something for everyone. This is kind of up my, like right down the strike zone for me. It's a little warm in the mid 80s, but not crazy like what we had mid to late last week. Dew points right on the line too, a little sticky. 60 plus is when you start to notice that humidity. That's right where we are along the coast, a little bit less humid. Inland, we've had a lot of sunshine, and when you get into summer, it gets harder and harder to have these days like today where you've just got basically full sun. And even the cumulus clouds that tried to develop just were unable to stick around. And that's because we had dry air at the mid-levels of the atmosphere. We will see clouds tonight and some showers. Worth noting though, midnight tonight, 70, 72, 73, pretty warm during the overnight hours with some isolated showers coming through. Those will continue into the early morning hours over down east and northern Maine, but we get them out of here quickly and we're basically back into the same day tomorrow. So mid and upper 80s, a lot of sunshine, dew points a little bit sticky here by tomorrow afternoon. The heaviest rain that we're going to see this week looks to come through Wednesday night, Thursday morning, but the timing of this is pretty good because a lot of it happens kind of in the middle of the night. There'll be some downpours, some thunder and lightning embedded in this, also possible. But by 7 a.m., it's just down East Maine and the mid-coast seeing showers, and even they clear out probably by 10, 11 the latest. And behind it, a little bit breezy, but a pleasant Thursday afternoon in the upper 70s, and the dew points start going down. So it gets more comfortable Thursday afternoon, and that continues into Friday. I think those days are really nice, especially Friday, kind of really a crowd pleaser in the 70s, low dew points. Saturday looks good. There will be showers coming in right around sunset over western Maine on Saturday. And I wanted to take the showers out of Sunday. I was hoping I'd be able to, but it doesn't look like I can. I think we see showers early on Sunday, a break through the middle of the day in which it gets sneaky hot. It could be in the mid 80s if we break it just right. And then that will pop up some thunderstorms on Sunday afternoon. So this is one of those days, I think Sunday is one of those days where if you look on a weather app, you'll see rain. And I don't think that's really how it's going to play out, but we'll fine tune that as we get closer. Either way, we've got a nice stretch leading up into it. I like Saturday, first half of the day especially. Even with the showers around on Sunday, again, I don't think it is a bad day. I think it's actually fairly warm. One thing about Saturday that's interesting, guys, we'll start in a lot of spots in the 40s and low 50s, so it'll be a little bit coolish, even though it's sunny, but then we'll get right back into that summer vibe, especially for Sunday.
It's a pretty good looking forecast.
Good, right?
Yeah.
Not bad.
All right. Thanks, Keith.